Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in Hulu account. Watch this video till the end. Hulu is an American subscription video on demand service. It gives access to thousands of hit shows, movies, series and more from Hulu streaming library. To log in Hulu account, first open your web browser and type hulu.com. After you hit search, you land on the website of Hulu, which look like this. Now you click login button on top right corner of the screen. After that, login box will appear on the screen where you have to enter your email address and the password you have entered while you created Hulu account. In case you forget either your email address or your password, gain access by clicking on Forget Your Email or Password link. After filling all the details, click on Login button and you will be headed to your Hulu account. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. I will be back with more video.